Okay, class, hopefully you enjoyed your epic book yesterday on goods and services, and hopefully you have a better idea of what a good is versus what a service is. So take a look at the screen. This is going to be a light bulb activity. You will take the goods and services from the middle here and drag them over to the light blue if it's a good, or to the purple if it's a service. Remember, from the book, a good is something that you can go into a store and buy. Okay, a service is something that is done for you, sometimes for money, sometimes it's a volunteer type service. Okay, so for example, taxi driver at the bottom. Okay, that is not something you would go into a store and buy. So you would drag that over, riding in a taxi, the person that takes you around in the taxi, that would be a service you could use. All right, so complete this today for our reading activity, and we will continue to talk about goods and services throughout the week. Good luck.